Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to receive money in Coinbase. Receiving cryptocurrency on Coinbase is a straightforward process once you understand a few key steps. First, you will need to know which specific cryptocurrency you are expecting. Then, you'll locate your unique receiving address within your Coinbase account. Finally, you'll share this address with the person sending you funds and confirm their arrival. Let's go through each step together to ensure a smooth transaction. To begin, log into your Coinbase account. Once inside, look for the Receive option, usually found on the main dashboard or under your portfolio. Here, you will select the exact cryptocurrency you are expecting, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Each cryptocurrency has a distinct address. After selecting, a unique wallet address will appear, often as a long string of characters and a QR code. Carefully copy this address. Now, share the copied wallet address with the sender. It is crucial to also tell them precisely which cryptocurrency you are expecting. For example, send Bitcoin to this address. Always double-check the address with the sender to prevent errors, as transactions are irreversible. Remind them that network fees apply, and transaction times can vary from a few minutes to several hours, depending on network congestion and the specific asset. After the sender initiates the transfer, you can monitor your Coinbase portfolio. The incoming funds will typically appear as a pending transaction in your account history. It takes time for the transaction to be confirmed by the cryptocurrency network, usually requiring several confirmations. Once confirmed, the funds will be fully available in your wallet. If funds do not appear after a reasonable waiting period, typically 24 hours, contact Coinbase support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.